It's late at night. You're alone, and suddenly red and blue lights flood your rearview mirror. Your pulse races. Do you know exactly what to do next, or are you about to make a dangerous mistake? Keep watching, because the next few minutes could literally save your freedom. Since the 1966 landmark Supreme Court decision, Miranda v. Arizona, every American has had clearly defined rights when encountering police. But shockingly, surveys reveal that more than 70% of Americans don't fully understand these protections, putting millions at risk every year during routine stops nationwide. Silent right number 1, the right to remain silent. Picture this. One sentence spoken nervously could change your life forever. Just 4 words, I wish to remain silent, could be your shield. Studies show that 90% of incriminating evidence comes directly from suspects themselves, making silence not just golden but essential. Silent right number 2, the right to refuse a search. The police officer casually asks, mind if I look around? Here's the shocking fact. Without probable cause or your explicit consent, that search is illegal. Saying no could save you from false charges or years of legal battles, just as quickly as refusing a stranger's entry to your home. Silent right number 3, the right to record. Your smartphone could be your best defense. It's perfectly legal in all 50 states to film police officers in public, as critical as a black box recorder in a plane crash investigation. Your video could be the difference between justice and injustice. Silent right number 4, the right to ask if you're free to go. Did you know police stops fall into 2 types, voluntary and detainment? Asking, am I free to go, could clarify your status immediately, just like checking the exits during a fire drill, an essential question that can dictate your next steps. Silent right number 5, the right to demand an attorney. Here's a chilling statistic. Suspects without attorneys are 5 times more likely to be convicted. Simply stating, I want a lawyer, it can stop questioning in its tracks, just as pulling the emergency brake halts a speeding train. Silent right number 6, the right to refuse entry without a warrant. Imagine waking up to loud knocking at your door. Without a valid warrant, you can legally deny police entry. This right is as strong as your front door's lock, safeguarding your privacy against unauthorized intrusion. Silent right number 7, the right against self-incrimination. Everything you say during an encounter can be used against you. It's like voluntarily handing the police bullets to load a weapon against you. Protecting yourself from self-incrimination is not just your right, it's your lifeline. Intriguingly, the Miranda rights we all know from TV dramas nearly didn't exist. Ernesto Miranda himself was convicted due to his confession, despite later changes to protect future suspects. Knowing your silent rights isn't just legal trivia, it's your essential toolkit in today's America. Just as seatbelts save lives during crashes, these 7 silent rights protect your freedoms in critical encounters. Understand them now, your liberty might depend on it tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't stay silent. Hit that like button, subscribe to Silent Rights, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a critical update about your legal freedoms. Have questions about your rights or want us to cover a specific scenario next?